Oh, hi, dear Aquarius. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 29th of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very, very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Nine of Wands. Okay. So someone here is feeling like you are not that much open to them as you used to be at some point of time. Your guards are up, or you are not emotionally available to them. Okay, there is something going on behind the scenes that they're not able to understand, and this person is kind of scared and worried about what is happening. Okay, even if this person knows on a human level like what is going on, but on a soul level this person is kind of worried about whatever is happening between you guys. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Wands. Oh, so this person is feeling like you're dealing with somebody else also, or if they already know that you are dealing with somebody else also, now they are feeling like you are giving your time, your energy, your love, everything to someone else, and they feel like getting justice in the situation. They are feeling like there's injustice going on between you guys, imbalanced kind of energy is going on between you guys, and they're definitely feeling like you're dealing with something else or someone else, and it's kind of making them feel like you are doing injustice with them by giving your time and energy to something else or someone else, and it's kind of disappointing them a lot. Emotional disappointment. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Page of Swords. You feel like keeping yourself at a distance from this particular person or energy. You feel like learning about them from a distance in some way. Let me clarify the Page of Swords. We have the Ten of Wands and the Page of Cups and the Five of Wands. This whole love drama is kind of giving you a lot of stress and lot of chaos and lot of conflict. So you feel like this person, this situation, even if you love them, even if you care for them, I do see that you feel like keeping yourself at a distance, because every time you connect with this particular person or energy, there is always a drama, there is always a stressful kind of energy around the situation. So you feel like taking the charge of your life in your hands and letting go of this particular person by creating distance, even if there's love here. Okay. For some of you are heading towards new love, because new love or new energy, because the other one was too stressful to deal with. So let me see. Let me see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? Ten of Cups. Okay, their intention is to have something solid on the table with you. Okay, this person wants to have a family kind of dynamic with you, and or a long term partnership with you, something like that. If you guys were already married at some point of time, they want to revive this marriage with you. They want to work on this marriage with you. If not, they definitely want to see you in their future as their future person. Yeah, this person wants to clear the air with you for whatever the mess is happening in the situation. They definitely want to have this equal give and take of energy in the situation. They want to start from scratch with clarity, with understanding, and with this energy of, okay, whatever happened. Now we can't like change the past, but we can change the future for sure. Work on the future for sure together. We can create something beautiful together. So this is what they want. They want something very beautiful in the situation. They want to open their heart towards you, towards the situation, and they want to like clear the air with you and then start this chapter all over again with you, leading to some kind of success in the end of the story. Okay, let's see, what do you want? Page of Cups. I think you want apology, message, communication, something like that from this person's side. You want, oh my goodness. Okay, so from your side, I think you want some kind of message, communication, apology, or something like that from this person's side, or you want them to come forward towards you with a clear cut understanding and clear cut energy. but there is something else or someone else also in the mix that's creating a lot of chaos and drama. For some of it's a third party kind of dynamic, romantic third party. For others of it could be this person's energies are so toxic, this person's way and behavior and nature is so toxic that you can't take it anymore. You are in this energy of not giving them any kind of brand new opportunity until unless they are going to fix something between you and them. There is a severe need for this person to come towards you with a clean energy, with a clear head, okay, and with some kind of message communication apology and a big change in their energies in some way. Now you are not ready to give them another shot until unless they are coming towards you with that kind of energy that you want from them. I don't know what that is, but you really want them to apologize for something, that you really want them to open up to you about something, and you are not ready to give them another shot until unless they are going to do what they want, until unless they are going to do what you want from them. Hmm? Okay, you are in this energy of waiting and watching and re-evaluating the situation from a distance, but you definitely want them to do something about it so that you can understand, you can make up your mind or final decision about what you should do and what you should not do in this situation. I think you're detaching and healing yourself, and it could be very much possible that you're open to new people, new energies, or you are already connected to new energy and you're leaving something behind because it's not serving you anymore. Let's see the what is coming towards, what the outcome, the Ace of Cups. New love. New love, I do see an ending, a breakup, separation, an ending to a chapter of a closing of a chapter, closing of a cycle, and a new chapter opening up. For some of you it's the same person, past person coming towards you with new energy, with fresh energy. For others of you, for most of you, it's a new person, new energy that you're already connected to in some way, even if it is a long distance or it's an online thing. You guys are connected to each other in some way. Hmm? I don't say it's a totally new energy that you don't even know about. No, it's not like that. So I do see your heart being open towards a new person, new energy, and you're heading towards happiness and growth and letting go, shedding those energies that's not working out for you anymore, including friends and family too. So I do see someone new entering in your life, trying to help you to open up your heart, open up your energies to new possibility, new energies, new connection, new love, and shedding the energy of feeling like left out in the cold, feeling like you are never going to get love, feeling like you are not worthy of love or something. So a new lover is going to change your perspective towards love, and will going is going to help you a lot in coming out of some kind of darkness in your love and relationship area. Now when I'm saying all this, don't rely on the person only. Work on yourself, take care of yourself. Your self healing, self love, self care is very important, very important. Until unless you're going to be in this energy of taking care of yourself the way you want others to take care of yourself, you will never be able to sustain in a relationship. Maybe you're going to find a person, like somebody good in your life, but what about sustaining the relationship for the long term? So it will make you feel like, okay, you have to change person over next person, then another person, then another person, then another person. Understand, you have to break a cycle, break a pattern here. Then only you will be able to find the healthy kind of mix or healthy kind of energy, healthy kind of relationship that you're looking forward to have. Okay, so there's a need to change a pattern, to break a cycle, to break a pattern that you are repeating, might be again and again and again, and the universe kind of wants you to break that pattern, break the cycle. Then only you will be able to find that kind of healthy kind of relationship that you deserve in your love and relationship area, right? Yeah, do the right thing. Guidance here for you guys, Aquarius, is to do the right thing. Whatever happened, you can't change it. So whatever is falling apart, just let it fall apart, because it's happening for your highest good. And do the right thing. Right thing means, you know, intuitively, you know, your gut knows, your energies know what you should do and what you should not do in order to find the right kind of energy for yourself. So it's very important for you to do the right thing from your side and leave it to the universe. Surrender to the divine, surrender to the universe. Whatever is meant for you will come to you eventually, but from your side, just do the right thing, okay? Emotionally, mentally, and everything, right? So yeah, doing the right thing, doing the justice with yourself, with your energies, and other energies involved is very important, again, in order to find the right kind of energy for you, okay? For your love and relationship area. So this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. So thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.